Welcome to Grayon. We are asked to solve for this problem 2008 times 20,092,009 minus 2009 times 20,082,008. So for this problem, the first step is we let x be equal to 2008 and x plus 1 be equal to 2009. And we let a to be equal to 10,000. Okay, so next thing that we have to do is we have to make the substitutions. So x is equal to 2008. So we have x times the 20,092,900 can be represented as x plus 1 times a plus in 2009 is equal to x plus 1. And for this next portion, we have 2009 is equal to x plus 1 times the 20,080,000 would be x times a x. Okay, so simplifying the first term, we can simply factor out x plus 1, and inside it remains a plus 1. And for this portion, we can factor out x plus 1 times x times a plus 1, a plus 1. So, as you can see, this simply cancels out. So, the answer is 0. And that is our final answer. So, thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like the video if you like the solution and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.